China apparently possesses a jet-propelled unmanned aerial vehicle that's suitable for tests aboard a future catapult-equipped aircraft carrier. The development means Beijing in theory could rapidly deploy fast drones aboard a planned class of large carriers. 7 new vessels commission into service in the mid-2020s. The Tianying drone, a product of the China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation, appeared in the public display at the biennial air show in Zhuhai in November 2018. Tianying is actually a family of drones, some of them having very little in common with the others. The Tianying that Kazakh prominently displayed at Zhuhai is a jet-powered flying wing that reportedly Air Force RQ-170 surveillance drone which has a 66 feet wingspan. Kazakh announced the carrier-compatible Tianying first test flight in February 2018. 80% of our drones' technologies are the newest and most advanced, some of which are leading the global drone industry. Notably, the Tianying at Zhuhai has the bulky heavy-duty landing gear that normally associated with aircraft designed to land aboard aircraft carriers with their arrestor wires and limited deck space. In that way, the Tianying might have more in common with the U.S. Navy former X-47B drone demonstrator, built by Northrop Grumman, than it does the Lockheed Martin-made RQ-170. The 62-feet wingspan X-47B with its arrestor hook and reinforced landing gear has a maximum takeoff weight of around 20 tons. In that way, the Tianying might have more in common with the U.S. Navy former X-47B drone demonstrator, built by Northrop Grumman, than it does the Lockheed Martin-made RQ-170. The Chinese military would need to undertake its own at-sea trials before it could safely integrate drones into its carrier wings. As American experience has proved, these trials are expensive and time-consuming. It's unclear how serious the Chinese Navy is about acquiring carrier drones or what missions the pilotless aircraft might perform. Corporate promotional art from China aviation and shipbuilding industries have depicted flying wing drones launching from carriers. But the two flat tops in service with the Chinese Navy are incompatible with jet-powered drones, which likely require a catapult for launch. Type 001 Liaoning, a refurbished Ukrainian vessel and China first carrier. Type 001A Shandong, China second carrier, also only as a ramp. The Chinese Navy's third carrier, the Type 002, currently under construction in Shanghai, might have a catapult, a mock-up of the conceptual apparently nuclear-powered Type 003 carrier at the Military Museum of the Chinese Peoples. Revolution in Beijing includes catapults and has a Tianying-style drone in the launch position. I wouldn't read too much into the CVN mock-up, said Jeffrey Lin, an independent expert on the Chinese military.